What's up, guys? Blind Falcon here. Today we are playing. Oh, okay. You want to say that? You okay? Yeah, Train Hunt Simulator. Now we've been playing this for quite a bit today because we've been playing it quite a bit because um Cheesecake Savage is still with us, aren't you? Wait, there is a massive hole, isn't there? I stumbled into this guy with grenades. Oh, there's a chest. No, no. You won't let me get the chest. Yeah, no. No, they never let you. They're actually not letting me go. Really? I fell down even deeper now. Hello. You're the red guy, right? You're red. Says, no, no, no. Got it. Okay, so, purple chest, where's purple chest? Where's the purple chest? Treasure chest. 47. Oh, these are cheap treasure chests. Yeah. They're like deep down. 50, so I got 48. Oh, guys, throwing grenades at me. Purple gun. Oh, there's a purple. Got 104. Oh, you got one there. Ooh, 48. 48. Oh, you got that one before me. Then you got that one. Oh, there's one here. 53. Where's the guy going? Okay, guys, we just. Yep. Gotta keep on digging, guys. Come on. $1 million. I'm just gonna let you guys dig. Yeah. Guys, Cheesecake Savage was at my house for a sleepover, so we got to do multi videos today. Well, we're gonna be making a video. I'm gonna be making a video on my pet dog. Like, no, literally my dog. Yeah. Check it out on my vlogging channel, The Flying Falcon. And yeah, make sure to check it out, please, because I want my dog to get famous. And if you didn't know already, Cheesecake Savage is getting a pet budget. Well, we explained it in the last video, so I think you know. Ooh, double chest. It goes down to red, doesn't it? Okay. To surface. Ooh, so weird. Wait, can I get anything? Okay. Oh, dude, look how close I am. I got 8,706. Yeah, I just don't want it right now. I'm not looking forward to a pet. Parkour, 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 parkour. I waiting for the people. So guys, I'll see you when I'm out of here, or at least in a gap, because these guys. Yeah, but I don't want it. Oh wait, here we go. I have to see you. Oh, but I can't get anywhere else. So guys, I'll see you when this maniac stops digging. So guys, I've bumped into this guy again. I've bumped into it. The guy with the thing. Oh, we've gone down to dirt. It's still 10. I just want treasure. This is really annoying. Back to surface. Blah 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 blah. I just get the sand because I think sand's better. There we go. I can get the large shovel now. Yes. Nice. Large shovel. Here we come. I have a large shovel. I'm going to be making my own mine. Well, it's not my own. Everyone dig! Dig, everyone! Wow, this is really strong. Move into you. Come on, dude. It's you and me. Why are you going back to the surface wall? Our debt? Go down a random tunnel and see how far you go down. I'm depth 175 blocks deep. You? What my bag's full? 37. Random hole, random hole. Come on, babe. Come on. How much can I dig in the sand? I can get rid of one sand. I think check out Cheesecake Savage's video on this. Um um and yeah, I'm just gonna be set on getting this. Abandoned. You would be rich. Now one guy is a billionaire. One guy is a billionaire. Oh no. I stumbled into someone else's mind. I know. That's why I'm not surprised. Oh, it's the one I'm in before. What, okay. 130 blocks deep. Ooh, I see it. In the corner of my eye, I see a gold purple chest. Pet. Yeah, by the end of this video, I'll probably have a pet too. So guys, I'll see you. Great, my mic going out again. I'll see you. Oh, mic's broken. Okay. I'll see you. I'll see you when I'll see you when I get enough treasure. See you guys. In here, just in case if you didn't hear, I'm gonna be doing one more video with Cheesecake Savage. He's gonna be doing one more video with me, and if you want to, comment down below which video, well, what game you would like us to do, and Cheesecake Savage, if your viewers didn't hear that, can you please tell them? Beautiful. Could have said, myself. I, I'll, okay. Cheesecake Savage is gone, but he's still playing, right? His video is done. He's gone. It's finished. Okay, so we are going to go now and that. Oh, okay. Hopefully, when you those guys who just like blow everything up. Boom. Okay, we need to go down here. Oh, What thing are you digging? I think it's this one. Boop, 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 boop. Come on, dude. So the large one can dig 5 and then half of the next one. Well, anyway, my bag is full. Guys, I will not see you. I will not see you until I get a pet. And that is determined. For me, I will get a rubber ducky. So guys, I just collected a lot. I'm gonna sell my sand to the noob. They're not actually noobs because they have the effort to change their skin. So that proves that bacon is a noob. But here it is, my rubber ducky. Is it? Let's see how the rubber ducky helps us. Wow! 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 Whee! Wow! It really does help. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Cheesecake Savage and myself, the Flying Falcon XYX. And as always, I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Now, let's keep digging. Digging party. Digging party. Digging party.